Just outside Gothenburg, where the Göta River splits, stands a fortress that has witnessed centuries of conflict, power struggles, and resilience. This is Bohus Fortress, one of Scandinavia's most historic strongholds. Built in 1308 by the Norwegian King Håkon V, Bohus Fortress wasn't always Swedish. In fact, for over 250 years, it stood as a crucial border defense between Norway and Sweden, guarding a region that was fiercely contested. Back then, this area Bohusland belonged to Norway. The fortress became a symbol of control, strategically placed to defend against Swedish expansion, and defended, too. Bohus Fortress was attacked at least 14 times, and never once captured by force. That's right, despite repeated sieges, it held strong through every assault. Its thick stone walls, clever design, an elevated position made it nearly impenetrable. Soldiers lived, fought, and sometimes died within these walls, protecting their kingdom. But Bohus wasn't just a military fortress, it also served as a royal residence and even a prison. Some of its prisoners were considered dangerous political enemies, and their stories still echo through these halls. In 1658, everything changed. After a treaty between Denmark, Norway, and Sweden, Bohusland became Swedish territory. The fortress lost its strategic importance and slowly fell into ruin. If you ever find yourself near Gothenburg, don't miss the chance to explore one of Sweden's most legendary fortresses.